Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see the round bracket, okay, and here is division operation include. So first of all, we simplify the round bracket, but the value inside the round bracket. So here 5 minus 2 is 3 and round bracket is also include r naught. So we can write r naught, it is your choice. So here we write the 3. Okay, and now minus 10 divide 2 multiply with 2. Okay, and now here is minus sign, here is division sign, and here is multiplication sign. So now we first do the operation division. So here write 3 minus 10, 3 minus 10 divide 2 is 5 and multiply with 2. Now we are solving the multiplication. So 3 minus 5 multiply 2 is 10 and 3 minus 10 is minus 7. So minus 7 is final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video on order of operation. Thank you.